We've started our own fellowship program to get doctors in here, not just for a weekend course, but to get them to learn at a very deep level how to do these procedures right.
So Regenexx, as we know, is the world leader in a lot of this regenerative medicine. My traditional training would be in physical medicine rehab, and a lot of the non-surgical options we have for most patients actually never really did much benefit long term, and this just sounded like a better solution to some of these non-surgical options for patients, just for larger outcomes. And from a standpoint of a fellowship and learning how to do this, this is one of the only options there are in the country, but it's also the best option worldwide because Regenexx has been doing this for over 10 years and they have probably published more data than anybody else in the world, so it was a natural fit.
I'm getting 3 months of intensive training that we pretty much describe as a mini fellowship, so that I'm really given the opportunity to learn pretty much all of the ways they do their methods and as well as their procedure techniques. And that's extremely unique. It's just the education is critical. It's not a weekend course like most doctors take and they learn to do something, then they go back and start mucking through it. It's the real thing.